Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Which of the following elements is the root of for the word dermatitis? It is meticis, der, dermat, D. The answer to the question is the root for the word dermatitis is dermat. In the word dermatitis, dermat refers to the skin. Is a suffix meaning inflammation. So dermat is a root that denotes the skin and it is indicates inflammation. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have a question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel.